So often shareholder or director disputes can arise in small and medium sized enterprises or family owned businesses. This could be simply due to a clash of personalities, or perhaps one of the director shareholders is overly remunerating him or herself, or otherwise wrongly extracting money from the company. Any action taken by a shareholder director that devalues the shares or is otherwise oppressive to other shareholders can amount to what we call unfair prejudice under the Companies Act 2006. And this is where the court can step in to regularise the position, protect shareholder rights and find a fair resolution to the matter. Myerson has a wealth of experience of advising both directors and shareholders in respect of their rights and remedies. We will work with our employment team so that advice can be obtained from an employment law perspective if a director is being removed or has been removed. Similarly, we can work with our corporate team to ensure that any negotiated settlement has a tax efficient structure. We will look at your objectives from the outset and devise a strategy so that you are aware from the very beginning as to how those objectives will be achieved. We have helped numerous companies and their directors and shareholders resolve their issues and protect their rights. Many of our clients are small and medium-sized enterprises or family companies where relations have irretrievably broken down. And we have managed to preserve the value of the ongoing business and find a resolution to that dispute. We are particularly proficient in both bringing and defending unfair prejudice petitions and also derivative actions and finding a favourable outcome for our clients. The Myerson Commercial Litigation team is ranked as top tier by the International Legal Directory, the Legal 500. We are renowned and respected for our advice and experience that we give to clients in unfair prejudice petitions and derivative actions, and we are large enough to deal with the most complex of cases. We understand that there is a need for decisive advice and often swift action, and given our size and experience we are able to take those steps quickly if necessary. Alternatively, we are able to negotiate a more amicable resolution if that is what is required. At Myerson, we're always happy to have a no obligation chat with you to understand a little more about your particular circumstances, whereupon we can give you some advice as to the merits of any claim you might have or defence of any claim and the way forward. All you need to do is to call my firm and speak to either me or one of my specialist colleagues in my team, and we can put together that plan of action for you. Once we have spoken and we have reviewed some of the key documents for you, we'll be able to give you that clearer picture, provide you with a preliminary strategy, and also give you some options as to how to fund the case going forward.